Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video we are going to take a look on BTC price, why altcoins are going down, what are the connections of the altcoins with the BTC. Stay tuned with the complete video to understand each and every important levels of the Bitcoin to trade in altcoins, as well as I will be sharing you a good exchange which can be good for the beginners. Let's understand in detail. First of all, let's take a look in BTC. BTC price is suddenly dropped, guys. If you calculate, the drop ratio is more than 7% or almost 8%. Why this correction is happened and what are the next level expected? Here we go. If you go with the 4-hour chart and 200 EMA, price is still on support, guys. If you check the last candlesticks, last price history, price is still trying to make a upper direction and higher highs. Still trend line is not broken down, still EMA is not broken down. That's why we can expect one more movement by the EMA, by the trend line. But in other side, if we go with the trend line basis, if you go with this structure, price is still on the support level. This is intermediate support level 68.2k. This is intermediate support level, right? Price is tried to break down this, but still price is not broken down this intermediate support level. That's why we can wait for some consolidation of the candlesticks. If candles are closing in between this area, then we can expect this level has been broken and price is looking for the next level. That's why wait for the confirmation. We may see a breakdown or we may see a reversal from this level. Halving is there, bullish news is there. That's why we may see some huge momentum in BTC for next some days. In next 10 to 15 days we may see a good volatility in BTC. I would like to suggest you don't trade BTC right now, because price still will try to stay in this range market to grow altcoins. That's why I would like to give you some altcoins where you can expect a good profits. In XAI, this was our entry point, but price is jumped from this level. That's why I was suggested re-entry from this level, and we had captured 15% movement in XAI USDT. Now price is down to our last level, which was expected. Now guys, we can expect another movement upside in XAI. Now this level can be our selling zone and current price is for the buying zone. Our take profit or stop loss ratio will be like this. Okay, this is our trade setup, guys. 24% price is expected. Risk reward is quite good, 2.76. Stop loss is of 9% and reward is of 24%. That's amazing, isn't it? You have to take risk of 9% to take 24% of profits. That's good, isn't it? If you are new and if you are looking for a great exchange, best exchange, easiest way to trade, then Bitmart is here, guys. Link is provided in the video's description. Simply you can go with my link and sign up yourself and start trading today. To trade your cryptocurrency journey, you have two options for the deposits. If you go on the buy crypto, you can either select P2P trading, guys. You can easily convert your INR into USDT crypto. Just use P2P trading method. Here you will get available merchants where peoples are selling the USDT by taking INR. Here you can see available advertisers, unit price, available order limit, payment methods. Here you can see, for example, this merchant have 12 transaction and completed rate is 58%. Choose the highest completed rate and complete your transaction. Make sure you are dealing with the verified merchant only. After confirmation of these conditions, just click on the buy USDT. you will receive payment information of that merchant. After completing the payment, just share the confirmation from your end that you have completed the payment. After confirmation, the advertiser will release the USDT. You can either sell your USDT to get INR back. Here we go, available advertisers. So with this way you can easily convert your INR to USDT and USDT to INR. Trade P2P to earn bonk. After clicking the banner, you will receive all terms and conditions related to this reward. Exclusive for INR users, trade Bitmart P2P to win. Earn bonk and future bonus for every 50 USDT deposited. 26 days are left, guys. Here you can see complete terms and conditions are given on this page. After confirming the deposit from the P2P trading, you can start your trading. Either you can go one more available option, just click on the assets. If you have any cryptocurrencies like USDT, simply you can deposit your USDT as well. Just click on the deposit. After clicking the deposit, here you can see the option select crypto. Once you click here you can search your cryptocurrency which you want to deposit. Click on the available currency. Here we go, USDT, Tether USDT, and select which network you are going to use. For example, BEP20. After clicking the BEP20 network, here you can see deposit address. Once you send the amount of USDT on this address, after confirmation of the transaction, your deposit will be appeared on the Bitmart. To check your deposit and withdrawal history, just click on the history. After clicking the history, here you can see deposit, withdrawal, all types of transaction history will be appeared here. To check deposit, just click on the deposit. To check withdrawal transaction, just click on the withdrawal. Once you click the withdrawal transaction, here you can see how much amount you had proceed the withdrawal. I hope you guys are understood a basic buying and selling, converting of the INR to the USDT, and how you can actually track the records of transaction history. After completing the deposit process, you can go with the trade option. After clicking the trade option, you have two options: spot trading or margin trading. I would like to suggest you, if you are newbie trader, then definitely you can go with the spot trading only. In spot trading, you will have a very basic trading features like buying and selling, holding and stop loss. With this way, you can start your trading journey with the Bitmart. To sign up on Bitmart, you can use my link. Link is provided in the video's description. In XAI, we have saw how trade setup is created and how we can expect a momentum. Next coin is Gala USDT. This coin is also doing well. We can see a good volatility. In last 14 days, we have seen a good growth in this coin. 40% growth has been done. Recently, I had given one signal and buying was here 0.04. Price is jumped upside without clicking the buy range. That's why I would like to give you one more trade, guys. Wait for this buy zone. After clicking this buy zone, we can expect a good momentum in Gala USDT. This is our last area and this is our stop loss area. 22% is stop loss range, 39% profits range. You can split your take profits in between 5%, 10%, 20%. It's up to you how you are going to manage your take profit levels. We have two trade setups, XAI and Gala USDT, as well as I have covered Bitcoin price analysis, how we can expect a price in the BTC. I hope you guys are understood today's episode. That's it for today. Let's see in the next video.